This is Shizating for the final individual technical presentation. So my user story is, as a user, I want to have a snapshot page to view my snapshots. So what I have here is the view page, and we have the get image list over here, and the controller calls on the iMage service in the model, as well as user model, to get the image from the specific user, as well as calls upon the image model to get the specific images from Firebase to display back to the page view. And the next user story is, as a user, I want to have a navigation bar on the profile page so that I can access different features on the app. So we have the view page here, and it calls upon the specific user to display each user content with my thoughts, my snapshots, my memes, and my music, as well as the next user story that says, as a user, I want to access other profiles so that I can view their activity. This calls upon their, it registers throughout their UID or their email, and it detects and it reads which user it is. And basically, you could go from account user A can go and click on user B's profile and view their user content of their snapshots, their memes, and their music as well. So that's my achievement for the final presentation.